So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize your Facebook page or fan page and even how to create it. So as you can see, this is a WordPress powered page that's showing on your Facebook, and we're gonna be able to administer any of the data. Like for example, let me show you, and this is all done through WordPress, which I'm gonna show as well. I'm just gonna log into my WordPress administrator, and everything is free also, I forgot to mention. And let's say I'm just gonna activate this other one, which of course I'm gonna provide free of charge. And let me add a second picture to the images tab. And from the computer I'm just gonna upload anything. Okay. So I'm just gonna save it like that, update, and that will replicate immediately on the theme. So as you know, we changed the theme to a purple one, and in images, so you can see now we have those two images. Let me change another appearance. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this one, and I'm just gonna reload the page. So as you can see, it's already there. It's as easy as that. So let's get to it. Now we're gonna set up an FTP user on GoDaddy. So for this, we can either log in by putting our credentials in here, or coming to my account and also using this other login. So just click on login. So you have to type in your credentials and then secure login. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is click on web hosting and then look for whatever hosting you have. Like for example, mine, it's the Hosting Web Deluxe Linux. And again, Linux is really good for WordPress if you're going with WordPress. Now after we click on launch, what we want to do is we want to go to settings and domain management. And under domain management, here we'll have a list of the domains we purchased. In this case, I'm just going to use chasecorp.com, and we would click on add subdomain. So the subdomain, basically it's just an extension to our domain for people to access it. Like instead of going to chasecorp.com, for example, I don't know, en for english.chasecorp.com, let's say. And for the folders, same as subdomain, if we leave it on this one, it's going to create a new folder that's going to be called N under our hosting. So whatever we have to upload, we have to upload it now on that folder in order for it to access it. Click on OK, and that's it. That will generate after, it usually takes 30 minutes again to create the subdomain. Thank you. Now we're going to create a WordPress site on the new subdomain we have. So for this we have to log in again. I'm just gonna go again to my account. Please log in and put my credentials. For mine it's already saved. Scroll down to web hosting, and here click on launch on the hosting we want to install the WordPress at. Under my applications we want to select WordPress, or just my applications if it's not listed there, and look for it. So you would just basically type in here whatever you're looking for. Then we look for install now, and once we're there, we're gonna select whatever domain we created the subdomains on. So for me it's chasecorp.com. We're gonna click on next, and we're gonna go ahead and create a WordPress password. In this case, I already know what I'm gonna create, so I'm gonna click on next, and this is the important part. We have to select install into subdomain because we want them to access it through the subdomain. So for example, in this case, I already have the es.chasecorp.com. So in this case, I'm just gonna click on next, admin name, admin password, email. You always have to type in an email, and the blog title. Click on finish, and there we go. Now if we want to check the status on this, we click on manage my applications, and as you can see right now it's creating the database. So again, we have to wait 30 minutes and it'll be created. Thank you. So now what you want to do is you want to log into Facebook, and then on the top search bar you want to type in developers, and this is the one with the Facebook and it says app. So you click on it, you have to allow the permissions, and here you go. Now what we want to do is we want to go to create new app. We're going to give it a display name. Let's just give it and the same one. Read the Facebook platform. I'll just get that later. Continue. Type in the CAPTCHA. So in this case, it wants us to verify our account, and basically we can do it by mobile phone or credit card. Credit card is faster, so what you would have to do is basically just type in your credit card details. Note that it's not going to charge you anything, it's just a way for Facebook to verify it. You fill in that, save, and you just wait until it's done with the verification, and then you can go ahead and create the account. So I'm just going to go out and fill this out, and I'll be right back. So now that you're done with the credit card, this should pop up after you save it, and what you want to do is you want to select page tab, give it a name for the tab, and then what you want to do is you want to give it the page tab URL, which is basically the address. So I'm just going to put chasecorp.com Facebook, because we created a subdomain. I think it was on ES, but I already have one on Facebook. And I'm just gonna copy the secure one. It should be HTTPS. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't have a secure socket layer purchased. And I'm just gonna click on save changes. So that's all you need to do from this end. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the Facebook page, and then we're gonna link it to this one. So for this, what you want to do, it's first create the Facebook page, and now we open just facebook.com back again, and what we want to do, it's we're gonna create a new page. So to do this, we can just go pages, and I'll come up with this window. We're gonna select create page, and then we're just gonna go ahead and create whatever type of page we want it. For example, I'm just gonna put this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead with Chase. Gonna agree to the page terms, and in this case uh, they don't have that one available, so I'm just gonna go with Chase Corp. Let's see. And yep, that one did it. So in this case, since it's a page for a Facebook profile, we would have to create upload an image or whatever, and I'm just gonna skip it. Skip it and skip it. Okay, so at the end, no matter if you choose to create a Facebook page not for an author or anything, such as, I don't know, a location, a corporation, some entertainment, some whatever, it does have different options, but it all comes down to this. So now that you have your Facebook page created, what we want to do is we want to link it with the application we created. So let's go ahead and do that.